Hi, my name's Chantelle Lunt and I'm an activist from Liverpool, the founder of Midside BLM Alliance. So what I know about Frederick Engels is that he wrote the Communist Manifesto with Karl Marx, and the Communist Manifesto was one of the first publications which really explored capitalism and how problematic it was. Basically the working class being exploited by a system which work them to the bone, got as much money out of them as possible and paid them as little as possible, all based on this hierarchy where all the wealth went to a privileged few, the bourgeoisie at the top, while the working class or the proletariat were left often with barely enough to survive and really bad public services. So what Frederick Engels wrote really highlighted that, but it also came up with a solution, which was communism or socialism, terms which are used interchangeably. And socialism is basically, services, the means of production being in public ownership. So rather than the privileged few bourgeoisie owning the means of production, the people own the means of production, the working class. Public services, they were all in public ownership, and that wealth wasn't just hoarded at the top, it would be divided amongst everyone. So people weren't wanting, really high standards of education and public services and health and all those things. How relevant is it today? We really need it today. We've got, racism, health crisis, we've got environmental crises, and we need a model that is not about making the most profit, because profit is killing us, it's killing our society, it's killing our environment. We need to be looking about out for how we're caring for each other. We need to be looking to support each other and finding sustainable ways of living. We all need to look at public transport, at gas and electricity, and at the health service and the education services to know that they need to fully be in public ownership. So we need Frederick Engels and his theories of communism and capitalism more than ever, and we need to use his theories to call out the bourgeoisie at the top and what they are doing to our society. Thank you.